How to calculate percentages quickly. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick method for calculating percentages quickly. Keep watching to see more. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this and pop over to our Instagram page for more ideas and inspiration. In order to calculate percentages, you need to know what percent means. Percent means 1 part in every 100. Let's use that information to calculate this sum. So, what is 9% of 400? First, find out how many hundreds do you have. I have 4 100s, so I have 400. Go back to the sum. How many percent is in each 100? There is 9% in each one. Now add these together, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, which equals 36. Or 9 times 4 equals 36. So your answer is 9% of 400 equals 36. I really like this method as it helps you to really understand the meaning of percent. Try out this quick tick on other percentage sums and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.